What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Iron Digital. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I don't know whether y'all can tell or not, but I'm a bit tired. I had to work 16 hours at my job, and I'm a bit tired. But I wanted to give y'all some news real quick. Y'all can remember a couple videos ago I did a video about El Salvador trying to push for Bitcoin to become legal tender, and it looks like they accomplished that goal successfully. And this was just like 2 days ago, so it wasn't even like a long time. It's crazy how fast this went through. But we can see on the CNBC website, take that with a grain of salt. This is CNBC. I don't really care for them, but we'll go with the site anyway. El Salvador becomes first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender after passing law. El Salvador just became the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Lawmakers in the Central American country's Congress voted by a supermajority in favor of the Bitcoin law. El Salvador has become, okay, I guess we're going to keep saying this line over and over again. Lawmakers in the Central American country's Congress voted by a supermajority in favor of the Bitcoin law, receiving 62 out of 84 of the legislature's vote. Excuse me. The price of Bitcoin was up 5% to $34,239.70 shortly after the vote. This right here is very, 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 very big. Massive, 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 massive news. It's not being, to be honest with you, Bitcoin should have responded a lot more aggressive than what it did. It went up a little bit, but as you can see, it really didn't go up that much. I mean, it went up what? I'll check the chart real quick. Yeah, $36,251. That's okay, but honestly, this should have shot Bitcoin up by another $10,000. If Elon Musk can come out and say, okay, Tesla is now on the balance sheets or whatever the case is, and Bitcoin goes up by $8,000 in one day, like, why can't Bitcoin go up by $10,000 in one day on news like this? It's just crazy. You just see the manipulation that exists in the market. It's just crazy how they're doing this. And the reason why I just have to make a quick video about this is to let you know that this is the reason why you need to remain bullish on Bitcoin. It's for the news it's for news like this that you remain positive or remain a bull on Bitcoin. Because I'm telling you, man, something like this is extremely massive. A country is not going to allow something like this to become legal tender if they think it's a joke, if they think it's going to fail. And that's why, all of this stuff that's going on right now with Bitcoin is just a game. It's just a game. It's just institutions, big boys just trying to accumulate and get their positions so that they can drive the price back up. Not financial advice, of course, but just if I were you, I would just hold my position. Continue to hold your position, man. Like, this is some really, 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 really big news, and it's everywhere. You go, as soon as you click Bitcoin, you Google search Bitcoin, it's like right there. It's nothing else but this El Salvador news. So it's a very, very big deal, and this is going to become a lot more attractive to people that are on the outside. A lot more people are going to look to go to El Salvador, and you're probably going to see their economy thrive really, really well. So this is going to make a lot of other countries consider making Bitcoin legal tender as well, because rich people, they have enough money, they can move wherever they want. And if rich people see that, okay, well, we can just go to El Salvador, we don't have to pay any taxes, because with it being legal tender, that means you don't have to pay taxes on it. So if you're in the US or something like that, you spend your Bitcoin, you're going to have to get taxed on it, because it's still considered property. It's not legal tender. But with El Salvador making this legal tender, that's what this means. You can skirt taxes. You don't have to pay it now. So this going to become very attractive to a lot of people. And like I said, you're going to see their economy probably do really, really well in the in the near or distant future. It definitely will be doing well soon, probably, because something like this is massive. They're the first country to actually do it, and I'm just curious to see how the other countries are going to respond, how long they're going to respond to it, how long they're going to wait before responding to it. Massive, massive news, man. People, we are on our way. Bitcoin is here to stay. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. Do your research, do your homework, continue to look into this stuff. Again, it's news like this that should further your conviction on cryptocurrency as a whole. Like, we made it. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoyed this quick video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy. Peace.